Good evening, this is Ron with Premium Select Supplies, and we have another new product from Streamlight. This is the Stinger Switchblade. We've had a lot of people wondering when we were going to get this in. We finally got it in. I'm doing a quick video on this tonight. There's two models that you can get. The first one, which is probably going to be the most popular, it's literally just the light and the charging cord, and it comes in this box. We're going to get rid of this for a second. I'm going to set this off to the side. The larger box here actually comes with a charging cradle. It attaches to the same box that you saw before. So this is a little bit weird trying to get out, but you'll figure it out. You got to pull it kind of hard, and it's actually wrapped around the light on the inside. So you get the charging cradle, the AC adapter, and the USB cord. We're gonna set that off to the side. Now we're gonna focus on the light itself. Again, comes the single one, or just the light without the cradle. It comes with the charging cord, and now the light itself. Really cool light. There's a couple little things that I think will attract some people. First of all, what you see here is a blotting pad, and it's actually a piece of metal, and there's like vinyl over top. This is my desk area, and this is actually a magnet right here, and it's pretty strong. So you can hear it just kind of pulled, so I can literally move this around, bump it. It would probably take a lot of force in order for it to finally fall over, right? So super strong magnet. This would be great under the hood, working on a car, several other usage on your workbench, so on and so forth. So that way you can be totally hands-free and have some light. It opens up 180 degrees, and you can feel, and you can actually kind of hear it on video possibly. It has notches, so you can have it at the angle that you want, and it'll stay at the angle there. So, power button is here. And the first light is the LED, just a LED 800 lumens. And what's cool about it is, I'm going to turn it off for a second, is it looks like it's a low light, low lumens at the beginning, and then it gets lighter. It gives your eyes a chance to kind of adjust to the light instead of blinding you instantly. So let's see that again. There you go. All right, 800 lumens. We're gonna hit the power, turn that off. Now, that's just the one side. The Color-Rite side is here. So we're gonna click the power button twice, and that does the same thing as far as starting off low and then going all the way up to the full 800 lumens. And then if I do 3 times, I get the UV light. So great for law enforcement, detectives, so on and so forth. So that's the basic light function. You do have the micro USB charging port right here. And then you have, let's pull this out again. So you have a hook right here. See if we can see that a little bit better. And then we've got another hook right here. And this is actually kind of hard to pull out. The first time you get the light, this is going to be hard to pull out right here. The best way is to take your thumb up underneath and push up. Boom. We have a hook. We can rotate that hook. And again, don't forget about that magnet. That's pretty cool. It's at the end here, and really super solid flashlight. I think this is going to be a really hot seller. Get yours now at premiumselectsupplies.com. We have a lot of other Streamlight products. We carry many other products, knives, flashlights, gun accessories, etc., etc. Gear for police, fire, military, safety services, outdoorsmen, hunters. I think you'll find our site very enjoyable as far as product-wise. We have a lot of great products. Please check it out. Thank you very much. Have a great evening.